In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey in Mailchimp. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Then next in the left panel, click on Forms. Then under it, click on Surveys. Then from here, click on Create New Survey. So start by adding a name for your survey. And of course, select the audience and click Begin. Now start adding your questions by pressing the Add button. And here, depending on the question or information you'd like to get, you first need to choose a format on how you would like to get an information. Here, you can provide your audience with an open text response or provide an email to be added to your audience, content block, and a lot more. You can use all this to collect feedback from your audience. And now you can start adding your question in this text box. Start by adding a title. The next is, of course, add options of answers for them to choose from. So here you can add or remove options using your keyboard via enter to add an option and backspace to remove an option. To add more questions, you just have to repeat the same process by clicking on the Add button and select the response type. And of course, add in your question title and add options. Once done, you can now proceed in designing. So click on Continue to Design. And here you can customize branding, custom messaging, and styles for your survey. Once done, click on the Review button. Then modify some more settings about your survey and press continue. And once your survey is ready, you can now copy the URL or survey link and add it to your campaign email or website. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!